Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. Today we are going to learn how to create different kinds of arcs in AutoCAD. So let's start. The tools to create different kinds of arcs are available in the Draw panel of the Home tab. Here is this arc drop down. Click on it to display the list of tools that are used to create different kinds of arcs in AutoCAD. So let's start with the first one, the 3-point tool. Let me create a triangular shape using the line tool. So I'll create a triangle using the line tool. Now I will again go for the 3-point tool. So select 3-point tool from this drop down. The command line says specify start point of arc. This is the start point. Now the command line says specify second point. This is the second point. And now we have to specify the endpoint of arc. So this is the endpoint. In this way, a 3-point arc is created. The second option is the start, center, end option. Let me create a line segment of length, say 10 mm. Now I'll go for this option, start, center, end. As the name suggests, I have to specify the start point of the arc. This is the start point. Now I have to specify the center point. This is the center point. And now I have to specify the end point. So this is the end point. In this way, we have created an arc with a radius value of 5 units. As the total length of the line was 10 units, so the radius of the arc will be 5 units. You have to keep in mind that the arc will go in the anti-clockwise direction with reference to the start point of the arc. Like in this case, this was the start point, so the arc revolved in the anti-clockwise direction. If this was the start point, if we had taken this point as the start point, again the arc would have moved in the anti-clockwise direction like this. Let us check that. I'll again go for the start, center, end tool. So this time I will specify this point as the start point. Start point, center point. Now you can see the arc has moved anti-clockwise with respect to this point. This is the end point. In this way, we have created an arc. Let me delete these two arcs. The next option in the arc drop-down is start, center, angle. As the name suggests, specify the start point. This is the start point. Now I have to specify the center point. This is the center point. Now the command line is asking for the included angle. So let me specify the included angle as 270. You'll notice that arc will cover the 3 quadrants, 1, 2, and this third quadrant. As I have specified the angle as 270 degrees, 90 degree, again 90 degree, and again 90 degree. So my arc should go up to this point. So after typing 270 in the command line, I'll press enter. You can see the arc has covered 3 quadrants, 90, 90, and 90. Total included angle is 270 degrees. Let me again delete this arc and go for the next option. Start and angle. Very similar to the start, center, angle option. Start and angle. Start and let me specify the angle as 180. In this way, an arc is created. Start and direction. But let me first delete this arc. Start and direction. This is the most commonly used method of creating arcs in AutoCAD. So start and end direction. As the name says, this is the start point, this is the end point. Now I have to specify in which direction I want my arc to be. So what I'll do is I'll drag my cursor in the upward direction and click. In this way, this arc is created. Suppose I wanted this arc in the downward direction. What I would have done is specify the start point, end point. This time, drag your cursor in the downward direction and click to create the arc. Next option, start, end, and radius. So I have to specify the start point first. This is the start point. Now I have to specify the end point, and radius of arc will be, say, 5 units. In this way, an arc is created having a radius value of 5. Next option is center, start, end. So I have to specify the center point first. This is the center point, this is the start point, and this is the end point. Next option, center, start, angle. Again, I will delete this arc first. Center, start, angle. Center point, start point, and this time I'll specify the included angle as 90 degrees. Next option is continue. So as soon as I press the continue option from this drop down, an arc gets attached to the previous point where we left. This was the previous point of the arc we had drawn. You can see an arc has attached to this point. Now you can draw the arc by clicking anywhere in the drawing area, like this. So these are the different methods to create arcs in AutoCAD. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.